What's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones, and I'm back again with a new video. As y'all can see, my surroundings have changed, but I wanted to finish the video. I'm currently on spring break in Branson, so yeah. But earlier in the video, you guys saw me install this hair by Bobbi Boss, and this is their new lock spring twist, and I love this hair. You guys, it is so easy to install. I didn't have any issues at all. It was perfect. It was the perfect install. It was easy to insert under the braid. Like, it was literally perfect. This is what they look like. They're so light. They are so light. We love an easy install. I love an easy install. I want to say this took me like 45 minutes to install. Once I finished braiding my hair and started installing it, it was so easy. So I bought 4 packs. The hair is 18 inches. I got it in the color number 2. 4 packs was not enough. I would say for a full head install, probably 5 to 6 packs, because I ran out of hair, and this color hair y'all see is Lulu Tress Passion Twist. So I had to add that up in there to fill it in a little bit, because I was not gonna run back to the beauty supply like I usually do, because I literally finished my hair the night before we left. But this is just what it looks like. So if I put it up like that, that's what it looks like. And I showed my braiding pattern in the beginning of the video. I did a little something different this time. And I do not know what the back looks like. So can y'all let me know what it look like? But yeah, you guys, I definitely recommend this for install. They have, I want to say 12 inch, it's either 12 or 14, 18, which I have, and then they got 26. 26 was a little bit too long, so 18 is my go-to. But this is what it looks like. Comes right here. Perfect vacation hair. I've been trying to try like different crochet style hairs that are perfect for vacation, perfect for trips, quick and easy installs, which this was. And yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. The link to find this hair will be down in the description box, all the deets. The price for this hair, one of the packs that I bought was $6.99, just one, and the rest of them were $7.99. That was on the beauty supply. But yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave all your comments and everything down below. I love chit chatting with you guys. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.